Dear student, today I will solve exercise 1.4, question number 6. 5 and 6 are same category. So question number 6, given if set of element A 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B element have 7, 9, 11, 13, C element have 11, 13, 15, and D 15, 17. Find first A intersection B. So now given set A is equal to element have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and intersection B element have 7, 9, 11, 13. A intersection B, only common element both A and B only taken. So common element 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11, only one taken common element both set. So 7, 9, 11, this is answer. And B set element have 7, 9, 11, 13, and intersection C as 11, 13, 15. In this case, so both set common element 11, 13. So common element write 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Same way A intersection C intersection D. So now we find A intersection C. So in this case A intersection C. Initially we find A intersection C means A element have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and intersection C element have 11, 13, and 15. So A intersection C common element only taken as, so common element, so 11, only 11. So we can write 11. And A intersection C and intersection D. So A intersection C means only 11 have elements, and intersection D for 15 and 17. So this is, there is no common element both set, so this is phi null set, empty set. And A intersection C, so A element have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and intersection C means element have 11, 13, and 15. So A intersection C taken as both in both common element 11 only, 11. So you write only 11. So B intersection D, for B element have 7, 9 and 11, 13. Intersection D for element have 15 and 17. So element have only one taken as common. So there is no element in both set, common no elements have. So this is phi, null set, empty set. And also 6 part A intersection B intersection C. Initially we find A intersection B means taken above first part A intersection B. So now 7, 9, 11 and C. So A intersection B union C. So A intersection B means element have 7, 9 and 11 and union C for element have 11, 13 and 15. So both element taken as both element in set, you write 7 and 9, 11 in both set in exist. So only one times you write 11 and 13 and 15. A intersection D for A element A intersection D is equal to set element have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and intersection D for element have 15 and 17. So intersection B only taken common element in both set. So common element, there is no common element in both set. So this is phi. A intersection D phi. Part number 8. A intersection B union D. Initially we find B union D. B union D. So B element have 7, 9, 11 and 13. Above given question. So D union D for element have 15 and 17. So B union D means so 7 and 9, 11 and 13, 15 and 17. All element write in set A union B. So common element only one times write. So A intersection B union D for A intersection B union D. A means element set have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and intersection. So B union D element have 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. So intersection means taken only common element both set. So 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11. So this is common element. So write 7, 9 and 11. 9, we find A intersection B and also intersection B union C. Initially we find A intersection B. So A intersection B means element set 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And intersection B for element have 7, 9, 11 and 13. So only common element taken as, so common element means 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. So A intersection B and B union C. So B for element 7, 9, 11 and 13 union. So C element have 11, 13 and 15. So union for write all those elements set A or set B. So set A 7, 9, 11, 11 common, so write only one. 13, 13 common, write only one times, and 15. So B union C. B union C. So also now we find A intersection B, A intersection B, intersection B union C. So A intersection B means element have 7, 9 and 11. And intersection B union C means element have 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So A intersection B, this is here A intersection B, and B union C, this is here, and both intersection taken as, so common element in both set 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11. So 7, 9, 11. This is element have set A union A intersection B union B intersection C. And at last part 10 A union D and intersection B union C. So we find A union D, element have A union D for element set have A 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and union D for element have 15 and 17. So element A union B taken both 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 15, 17 and B union C. So B element have 7, 9, 11, 13 and union C for element have 11, 13 and 15. So this is all element A and B 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So B union C. And now A union D intersection B union C. So now A union D for element have A union D. So A union D element has 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15 and 17. And another B union C element have 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So this common element only taken as 7, 9, 11, 13 and so common element 7, 9, 11 and 15. This is A union D intersection B union C. This is answer. Question number 7. If given set of A x such that x is an natural number, B set x such that x is an even natural number, C x such that x is an odd natural number, and D for x such that x is a prime number. Find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D. So now given in this question, so A set of A x such that x is a natural number. This is set builder form. So now change into tabular form. So set A is equal to element have natural 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot so on. And same way set of B x such that x is an even natural number. So even natural number starting 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot so on divisible by 2. So C, this is set of builder form. So change into tabular form. So now x is an odd natural number. So x is odd natural number. So now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dot dot so on. And D for x such that x is prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7 dot dot so on. Now with the help of this give above set, so now we find A intersection B. A intersection B, A means element have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot so on. An intersection B for 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot so on. So A intersection B only common element taken both set. So now 2, 4. So now 2, 4, 6, dot dot 6 8 dot dot so on. This is set of B. So this is B. And same way A intersection C. So element have set A 1 2 3 4 5 dot dot, and intersection C for element have taken 1 3 5 7 9. So intersection C, so only taken common element, so 1 3 5 7 9 dot dot so on. This is set of C, set of C. And A intersection D, so A element have 1 2 3 4 5 dot dot, and intersection D prime number, so prime 2 3 5 7 dot dot. This is common element taken as, so 2 3 5 7 dot dot. So this is set of D, set of D. B intersection C, B intersection C for B element have 2 4 6 8 dot dot, and C element have 1 3 5 7 9 dot dot. So common element A B intersection C, there are no common element in set, both set. This is set phi. And B intersection D for B for element have 2 4 6 8 dot dot, and intersection D for 2 3 5 7 dot dot so on. So only taken a common element in both set, so only 2. This is 2. B intersection D. And C intersection D, C element have C 1 3 5 7 9 dot dot, and intersection D for element have 2 3 5 7 dot dot so on. So this is now taken only common elements, so 3 5 7 and dot dot. So this is C intersection D. Question number 8. Which of the following pairs of set are disjoint? Disjoint. First part. So element 1 2 3 4 and another x such that x is an natural number natural number and 4 less than or equal to 6 less than 6. So set 1 2 3 4 and another set natural number and 4. So this is 4 and 4 less than 6. So 4 5. So these set a common element 4 and 4. This is not disjoint set, not disjoint. It is not disjoint set. And second part, element have A, E, I, O, U and C, D, E, F. C, D, E, F and E, common element only E. So disjoint set, no common element, both set. So this is not, so it is not disjoint set. And third part, x such that x is an even integer. So set even integer 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot so on. And then this is odd integer. So odd integer 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dot dot. So both set, no common element in both set. This is phi disjoint set. It is disjoint set. Question number 9. If set of A element have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and B set have element 5, 10, 15, 20. C element have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and D element 5, 10, 15, 20. Find A minus B. So A minus B element have A minus B. A element have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and minus B for element have 5, 10, 15, 20. So A minus B means those elements of set A who not present in set B. This is A minus B. A element, those elements who not present in set B. So this is 3 and 6, 9, 12, 50% and 18 and 21. So A minus B means set of A element who not present in set B. This is A minus B. And also A minus C, A element set element 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and minus C for element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So A minus B set of A element set of A who not present set in set B. So this is 3 not present in this set. So 3 and 6 present. So 9 not present in this set. So 9 and 12 present and 15 not present in this set. So this is 15 and 18 not present in set 18 and 21. So these are element not present in set C. So A minus C. And D for element A element 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and minus D for element whose 5, 10, 15 and 20. So A minus D means those elements not present in this set. So 3, this is not present in this. So 6 and also 9 and 12, 15 present in this set. So 18 not present, 21. So this is A minus B. And B minus A means B for element 5, 10 and 15 and 20, and minus A for element 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These are elements set B and these elements are set A. So B minus A, so element of set B not present in set A. So this is A minus B. 5 non present in set A, 5, 10 not present in set, and 15 so common, and this is B. 20 not present in set, 20. So 5, 10, 20. And C minus A, C minus A means C element have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And minus A for 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So C minus A, element of C not present in set A. So this is C not present in this set, 2, 4 not present in set, 6 present. So this is not 8 not present in this set, 8, and 10 not present in this set, 10, and 12 present, 14 this is not present in this set, 14, and 16 not present in this set, so 16. So this is C minus A. Those elements of set A not present in set B, so C minus A. This is answer. That's all. Thank you.